For a long time, Africans have been seen as people of little or no value. We have been ridiculed and undervalued because our strengths have not been fully appreciated and recognized by the world. There are a few among us who have been appreciated, but not we as a people. In this article, I will share some of the values we possess as a people that worth celebrating. 1. Family values. We as Africans are people who hold on to family values no matter the decadence that is going on in the world. Our societies have long been recognized for our strong sense of family, which often extends beyond our nuclear family. It includes our extended families, such as our grandparents, cousins, aunts, and uncles. In our communities, children are raised not just by their parents, but by the entire community, a concept we often refer to as "it takes a village to raise a child." This extended family structure strengthens our social ties. Moreover, studies have shown that family units in Africa are often more cohesive than in many Western societies, and this contributes to emotional well-being and stability. This is a special value we offer to a world that is often isolated, where many people suffer from loneliness and depression. 2. Spirituality. As Africans, we are known for our deep connection to spirituality, which plays an essential role in our daily lives. I've mentioned many times on my blog how spiritual we are as a people. It is our life, it is our strength. Instead of shying away from it and allowing non-Africans to demonize what we have, we should be proud and show the world its value. We have faith, we have hope. We also have confidence in God. We believe in miracles and the supernatural. These values, and more, are what we bring to the world. We bring light and salvation to a dying world. This is a vital part of our strength. 3. Cultural heritage. Africa's cultural heritage is rich, diverse, and deeply rooted in traditions, passed down through generations. From our clothing to rites of passage to folklore, the continent's cultural expressions are vibrant and exhilarating. For example, the Yoruba, Igbo, Ashanti, and Maasai peoples preserve their traditional customs, attire, and ceremonies. This strong cultural heritage creates a sense of identity, pride, and unity among us, helping us stay connected to our roots even in the face of globalization. 4. Dancing styles. African dance is second to none. It is known for its rhythmic movements, communal nature, and deep symbolic meanings. Each region in Africa has unique dances that serve various purposes, whether for entertainment, worship, or celebrations. We are known for our exceptional dance styles. Our dance has influenced global pop culture, as seen in the popularity of Afrobeat music and dance styles worldwide. This brings us to the next point. 5. African music. African music has long been recognized for its distinctive styles and rhythms. Our music plays a critical role in our celebrations, entertainment, and social cohesion. This is of global importance. Afrobeats, for example, have taken the world by storm, demonstrating the global appeal of our African rhythms. Additionally, our drumming and call-and-response singing patterns have deeply influenced genres like jazz, blues, and reggae. 6. African arts. Our visual arts, from sculpture to beadwork, are deeply symbolic and carry social, political, and religious meanings. For instance, the Benin bronzes are renowned for their craftsmanship and historical significance. Our African arts have preserved history, told stories, and expressed cultural identity. Museums worldwide now showcase our arts, demonstrating the global appreciation of our continent's creativity. 7. African medicine. Africa is home to several herbs and roots of great medicinal value. Our traditional medicine has a long history of using herbal remedies, spiritual healing, and other natural practices to address health concerns. For example, neem tree extracts are widely used as herbal medicine to treat malaria. Ugu leaves are used for anemia, bitter leaves for diabetes and hypertension, and so on. Many plants used by our forefathers to cure diseases are increasingly in demand, especially with the growing interest in alternative and herbal medicine in the world. 8. African farming. Agriculture has been the backbone of our African economies for centuries. Our farmers have developed indigenous knowledge systems around sustainable farming practices, including crop rotation, intercropping, and fertilizer production. For example, the terraced farms in some of our highlands showcase the ingenuity of our African agriculture. In the world today, we produce 70% of the world's cocoa, 95% of the world's yams, 65% of the world's plantains, 60% of the world's cassava, 50% of the world's sorghum, 40% of the world's millet, 30% of the world's groundnuts and sweet potatoes, 25% of the world's sesame seeds, and 12% of the world's sunflower seeds and coffee, along with 7-8% of the world's maize, and many more. Africa is endowed with good farmland and favorable climates, making it a potential food source for the entire world. 9. Sexual and reproductive strength. Many of our African cultures place great value on having children and building large families. Our men are strong in bed, and our women are great at nurturing children, resilient and resourceful. Traditionally in Africa, large families are seen as a sign of wealth and blessing. In some of our cultures, having many children is viewed as a communal achievement, with extended families playing a role in raising them. By the way, Africa has one of the highest birth rates in the world, reflecting the importance we place on family and reproduction. This is the value we offer the world: a great number of old and young talented people who are ready to take the world by storm and change the narrative of this generation. 10. African beauty. As Africans, we have some of the most beautiful men and women in the world. Our skin color is incomparable, matchless, and unparalleled. We have long embraced natural beauty as our way of life, and our women have turned to locally made skincare products, which give their skin excellent and exquisite look. Our beauty is unique, and we are proud to showcase it to the world. Many of our women have become award-winning models, and our men have excelled in bodybuilding and gymnastics. The list goes on. Stick around for part 2. To be continued. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds247@gmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgajmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Stop looking for a job, work is with you. 2. Financial empowerment. 3. The means of money. 4. 7 ways to crystallize your ideas. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.